Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
We got a special treat tonight. We got to tour one of the Bora Bora Bungalows, and it's right out here on the water. We'll go inside in just a minute. That's the TTC over there. We'll go inside and take a look. Oh, and this is special.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That was the doorbell. Immediately inside the door, got our first bedroom. It's pretty nice. Closet with lots of storage. Fold-out bed. Naturally a big screen TV. This is a very nice room. Across the hall, bedroom number 2. This I think might be the master bedroom with a master bath. Nice tub. Oh, it's a bubble tub. It's got holes down there. I love that carving. That's amazing. And it's got TV in the mirror. I need that at my house. Another big screen TV. Closet. Chest of drawers in the closet. That's looking out at the TTC. That's looking out onto the deck. We'll go out there in just a minute. Continuing on with the tour. Walk down this hallway here. And in here, we have another bathroom. Oh, that's cool. That's a net. Oh, I like that too. I had a conch shell about that like that. Anyway, moving on. Vanity. Tub. Shower. I bet behind this door is the washer and dryer. That is so handy, having that in your room. Very big closet. Extra pillows, blankets, safe. Laundry basket. Very cool artwork here in the hallway. I like that guy. Just caught him a fish for dinner. And the kitchen, fridge, microwave, dishwasher, cooktop, stove, oven, nice big dining room table, another pull-out bed with, wait for it, the electrical water pageant floats. That's so cool. Big TV. It's a nice piece of artwork. Almost looks like the bungalows. We walk out here and see what kind of view we got. Oh my goodness, look at that. You look over there, that's Space Mountain. That is the castle. Just think if they were having fireworks, you could watch fireworks from your deck. And you have your own private hot tub. It'd be so cool. You could sit here in the hot tub and watch the fireworks over the castle. A couple of lounge chairs. And these cool hanging chairs. So that just about sums up the features of the 2-bedroom Bora Bora Bungalow. It is not inexpensive, but it appears to be so worth it with all of the amenities. I want to thank DVC for giving us this tour, and we'll see you all later. Thanks for watching.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.